The help I have for you is this one on inverse problems. Okay, we switch x and y, solve for y. So we're going to cross off my f of x on both these problems and put a y there. That's how I'm going to start. When I switch x and y, I'm going to put x equals 4y minus 7. Now, if you just take a look, you can see I just changed them out. I didn't move the 4 anywhere, didn't move anything anywhere, just the x and y. Solve for y. Add 7 to both sides. To cancel that out, I get x plus 7 equals 4y. And then we're going to divide by 4, but I'm going to divide each one. I like that best. That cancels out. And I'm going to get y equals x over 4 plus 7 over 4. And that's going to be good. We could be putting f negative 1. That's probably better, but if I can get you to do that much, then that little extra step won't be a big deal. All right, this one's a tad harder. I'm going to give myself a lot of room. I'm going to write x instead of y, negative 2 plus 9y instead of x, over 7 minus 3, and then another y instead of this x. So I rewrite it, switching x and y. Now, I'm going to multiply both sides by this denominator. Okay? Whatever this denominator is, multiply both sides. That will cancel out, and I can distribute the x. So come here, I get 7x minus 3xy, x times each. Put the variables alphabetical. And then this canceled all the way out, so I'm left with 2 plus 9y. I'm going to do a couple of things here. A couple of things. First thing I do, probably a little different than what you think, I'm going to take this minus 3xy and I'm going to add it over here. I mean, come on, it's a negative, make it a positive. If you subtract the 9, that's okay. That's okay, but we don't need to do that. We can do it either way. I'm going to take this negative 2 and I'm going to add it over here. So I'm putting y's on the same side here and everything that's not a y on the same side. So this is 7x plus 2 equals 9y plus 3xy. Now I'm going to take this y right here and I'm going to factor it out. I'm going to write 7x plus 2 equals y times, now take the y out, 9 plus 3x. Lastly, I'm going to take this part right here and divide it over 9 plus 3x. Now that could be switched and made to 3x plus 9. It will not make a difference. 7x plus 2, 3x plus 9. I think that looks nicer. Okay, and again, we could put f negative 1x like that, but not necessary. If you put 9 plus 3x, that's still cool. If you did it the other way up here, where you subtracted 9y and subtracted 7x, you get a whole bunch of negatives, and they're going to cancel out. Kind of hard to see sometimes. Okay, but this is how we're going to do it. This is the answer we got here. I hope that all these little videos help you in a way that you'll do well on this next exam.